Sec 2 Mathematics Chapter 8 Trigonometric Ratios of Acute Angles. In this part of the chapter, we would like to be able to identify the three different sides of a right-angled triangle. In this case, one of the side is hypotenuse, which we have already learned in Chapter 7. It is the side that is opposite the right angle. Next, we will have another two new sides called the opposite and the adjacent. Opposite and the adjacent. These two sides are sides that are labeled with respect to a given particular angle inside the right angle triangle. Now let's take a closer look at the definition of a right angle triangle. Inside a right angle triangle, which is shown in this diagram, triangle ABC, the side that is the longest in the triangle is called the hypotenuse, and it is the side that is opposite the right angle. Where is the right angle in this triangle? The angle is ACB. So with respect to this 90-degree angle, the side that is the longest and directly opposite the 90-degree angle is called the hypotenuse. Now, with respect to angle ABC, which is this angle here, we will be able to identify the other two sides called the opposite and the adjacent. Firstly, with respect to the angle ABC here, where is the side that is opposite angle ABC? The side opposite to this angle is AC. Therefore, AC is called the opposite. Next, I already have my hypotenuse and the opposite. I'm left with the other side, BC, where this is the side that is next to angle ABC, and it's called the adjacent, meaning this side is just next to the angle ABC. Now, what does this means? For example, if I were to have a right angle triangle, XYZ, for example, where my 90-degree angle is the angle XYZ, the first side that I will be able to label is the hypotenuse, which is the longest side, and the side that is opposite the 90-degree angle. So we call this side HYP, the hypotenuse, HYP for short. Next, with respect to a particular angle, we will be able to name the opposite and the adjacent sides. For example, if I were to use angle YXZ as my reference angle, where is the side opposite to angle YXZ? The side opposite to angle YXZ is YZ. Hence, this side will be called the opposite. Now, with reference to this angle YXZ, where is the side that is just beside the angle other than the hypotenuse? The side XY is the side adjacent to the angle YXZ, and this will be called adjacent, ADJ for short. So this is how we label the different sides of a right angle triangle with respect to a given angle.